Acid base indicators. Indicators that indicate if the given solution is acidic or basic are known as acid base indicators. Examples: litmus solution or litmus paper, turmeric, methyl orange, phenolphthalein, red cabbage leaves, colored petals of some flowers such as hydrangea, petunia, geranium, then vanilla, onion, and clove. These are the examples of acid base indicators. Acid base indicators can be divided into two types. First one is known as visual indicators. Another one is known as olfactory indicators. What is visual indicator? Let us try to understand. Indicators change their color in acidic and basic medium are known as visual indicators. Indicators that change their smell in acidic and basic medium, they are known as olfactory indicators. In short, visual indicators change their color, olfactory indicators change their smell. The examples for olfactory indicators are vanilla, onion, and clove. This vanilla, onion, or clove oils or the substance themselves, if you put them into the acidic medium, they will show another kind of smell. Whereas if you put them into the basic medium, they will show different type of smell. These visual indicators can further be classified as a two type. The first one is natural visual indicator, natural visual acid base indicator. Another one is synthetic visual acid base indicator. It should be C, synthetic. So synthetic visual acid base indicators, that is how we can understand. So there are two types of visual indicators: natural visual indicators and synthetic visual indicators. So now we should study about them in detail. Natural visual indicators are the indicators that are found in nature. Synthetic visual indicators are the indicators that has been produced by the human being into the factories. They are synthesized. The examples for visual indicators, natural visual acid base indicators are litmus paper or litmus solution, turmeric, red cabbage leaves, colored petals of hydrangea, petunia, or geranium, and the other flowers like China rose. Whereas when we study about the synthetic visual indicators, they can be methyl orange or phenolphthalein. So this is how we can understand about the various types of indicators. Now we should understand about these indicators in detail. What is the use of indicator? Indicator tell us whether a substance is acidic or basic by changing its color or by changing its smell. Now the question: explain various types of indicators by giving examples. There are two main types of indicators: visual indicators and olfactory indicators. Number one, visual indicators. Visual indicators are the acid base indicators that change their color in acidic and basic medium. Visual indicators are of two types. Number one, natural visual indicators. Natural visual indicator, a visual acid base indicator which is found in nature, can be produced naturally, is called natural visual indicator. Examples are litmus paper or litmus solution, turmeric, red cabbage leaves, China rose or hibiscus or shoe flower, flower petals of some flowers such as hydrangea, petunia, and geranium. Synthetic visual indicators are the visual acid base indicators that change its smell into acidic and basic medium are this type of indicators. The examples are methyl orange and phenolphthalein. So this is how, my dear students, we can understand about the various types of indicators. We have one more indicator, that is what it is known as the olfactory indicator, olfactory acid base indicator. An acid base indicator whose odor or smell changes in acidic or basic medium are called olfactory indicators. The examples for olfactory indicators are onion, clove, and vanilla. Please remember, my dear students. Next question. Explain the color of various visual indicators in acid, base, and neutral medium. This is going to be very interesting, my dear students. Now we are going to study the various colors shown by the various indicators into the acidic medium, basic medium, and neutral medium. So first we'll look at the litmus paper or litmus solution. Litmus paper or litmus solution in acidic medium, it shows the red color. In basic medium, it shows the blue color. Whereas in neutral medium, litmus paper or litmus solution shows the purple color. Turmeric, in the acidic medium, it shows yellow color. In basic medium, it shows reddish brown color. And in neutral medium, it shows the yellow color. Methyl orange, which is a synthetic indicator, in acidic medium it shows the orange red color. In basic medium it shows yellow color, and in neutral medium it shows orange color. So from orange it slightly goes towards red color into the acidic medium. Then we have the phenolphthalein. The phenolphthalein in acidic medium is colorless, does not show any color. In basic medium it shows the pink color, whereas in neutral medium again it is colorless. Red cabbage leaves.